Hello everyone, this is Zeeshan Shah and welcome to Zinteractive. In today's class, we will learn about 3D line. 3D line is a tool that helps us to create pattern directly over the avatar or any existing garment. So here we have 3D line option. So we have line 3D pattern that you can create on any existing garment or line avatar that you can create on any avatar without which do not have any clothes on it. Right now, the one that we have is the avatar. So we will work with the line avatar actually. If you want to edit, you have added line avatar for avatar and added line for 3D pattern. So we will use line avatar. Once you are done, you can flatten it. Sometimes what happens, it's really hard to create patterns because if you're not familiar with the patterns of clothes, you have never done it, so obviously it will be very hard for you, or if you want to practice on it. So for that purpose, this tool is a really good tool. So let's work with it. Let's create a shirt, okay, with this tool. What I will do here is that first of all, I will create half version of the neck here, okay, like this, starting from here and here. Then I will go down this part. All the way up here. And from where I started the neck, I will close this. So here will be my one part of it. Okay. And then what I will do here is that I will make a sleeve cutout. I'll go here. Okay. And then what I can do is that I can make a seam line here. Okay. So this is how I have. And now on the top, I will create another seam line. So I have this part in the front and this part at the back. So if you want, you can create another one here for the sleeves. Basically, you can start from here. Okay. And then we need a cutting line, like a seam line from here to here. That's it. So it can be more better, but I'm just showing you the idea over here. So I have one half of the t-shirt, which is accurately, completely 100% body fitting. Okay. So what we can do now is that we can go back to our line options and then we will go to flattern. Inside the flattern, I will choose the first part. Okay, you can see this part is selected. Okay, then I will choose this back part and this sleeve. And once I have selected it, I can press enter on my keyboard. As soon as I will press enter, it will calculate and it will create patterns out of what I have selected. Now you can see it has created the patterns. So what we can do here is that this, I will go back to my moving tool. So this is basically the front, you can see, and this is the back part. So I will keep them a little bit aside here. Now what I can do is that I can change them. Okay. How I can change them is that I can create internal line here. Okay. Just like this. Just, and press enter. And then edit pattern tool, I can select here and I can use cut this part. Basically, I don't need it anymore. I will cut it. Okay. And Similarly here, you can see from here, I need to do the cutting. Okay. So if I click here, so my internal line should start like this. Okay, press enter. Select all, and I have to cut it. And then I will remove this part. So this part is done. Now, next thing, what I need to do here is that to just simple modify it. Okay. Like I can take my edit pattern tool, start moving these lines, and I will start making it more smoother, more, you can say, straight, or just to make it look perfectly like aligned. So let's do that quickly here. Okay. Something as this. Maybe I can remove this part, delete it, so it will become straight. Okay. And maybe this, I will move it down a bit. I don't need this part. Okay. And now from here, maybe I don't need this. Okay. Maybe, no, this is fine. Maybe this, no, this will be fine as well. Or maybe this, yeah. Now, rest of these I can smooth, I can take the smooth curve and I can smooth them. Okay, this way. So this is my front part. Same thing, I will do it here. Take the edit pattern tool. And those parts which I don't really want, I can delete them. Okay. And one that I want, I will keep them. And smooth these parts with a smoothing tool. And also, let's delete these. Okay. Now this is the sleeve. So this, I will start making the sleeve a little bit smoother. Rest is fine. Okay. Or I can take these parts here to make the sleeve a bit smoother. Okay. That's it. Now, let's do a little bit rotation here. Simple, what I have to do now is that take this part, okay? Then I will make a like symmetry out of it. Control C, Control R, put this here, select both of them, okay? And then symmetric with sewing, this one as well, okay? Control C, Control R, mirror paste, and then select both of them. Symmetrical, Control C, Control R, okay? Then here. So that's it. So what we will do here is, first of all, I will go here in my edit segment, like sewing tool, and delete existing sewing so that we can create a new one. Okay. Once we are done, I can take the, can press Shift F on my keyboard, start arranging these points. Okay. The way they, you think this suits. Okay. Suppose this one should go here. This should go here. That's all. Okay, Shift F again. Move a bit down. But there is a seam, like a sewing here. So that doesn't mean, sorry, that doesn't affect that much. That will be fine, I guess. So I can take the segment sewing tool and I can sew this to this, this to this. Okay, but there is an error here. It's this part. Okay, I will go here, edit sewing. Right click here, and I wanted to reverse this one. Better to do reverse from the 2D. Okay, mirror. Oops. Yeah, now it's fine. Okay. Same thing we will do here. Segment sewing tool. Okay. Yeah, now it's fine. Always keep the direction as it is, otherwise you will have issues. And then what I can do here is that I can go and choose my MN free sewing and start sewing from here. But before that, let's see what are the points. Okay, like from here it starts, and the part of my shirt starts from here. Okay, and this one starts from here. So that's it. MN free sewing tool. Start over here. Press enter. Okay, then this part, then this part. Press enter. Okay, there is a reverse option, like error here, which is in the front area. So that's not a problem. Edit sewing. Select that sewing part. Reverse it. So it will be fine. No. I think there is some error here. Let's delete this. Let's check again. Okay. This part should start from here. Okay. No, actually it should start from here. That's what I did, the error. Okay, so again, M, press enter. Now N, start from here. Start from here and then press enter. Now it's fine. Okay, everything is fine. Looks good. So I can simulate it. Oops. One thing I forgot. We have to attach these two as well. So I will choose my segment sewing tool, attach these two and these two. Now simulate, and here we go. Okay, so this is how you can create a pattern using the line, and then later on you can decide how big you want it, how like short you want it, how tighter you want it. I can now fix this by reducing the size of the collar. It's totally up to you. So this is a really good tool, and I hope you have liked this 3D line tool. You can delete this existing 3D line from the edit 3D later on once you are done, and now you can edit the from here. So it's a very good tool. So I hope you will use this tool in your projects. So if you like my videos and have not subscribed to my channel yet, so please do it and hit the bell icon. To support my channel, please watch my videos online and do not download them. Otherwise, I won't get any benefit out of it, which will demotivate me to make further videos. So please champion my channel and like them if you find them useful. So take care, guys. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep learning on Zinteractive, your own training institute. If you're enjoying this series and want to binge watch the whole course without waiting for next lesson, then join my Zinteractive Early Bird membership plan. Once you are an active member, you will be able to binge watch all the courses without waiting for lessons to get published. Moreover, you can support my channel by joining Zinteractive Friends membership plan. You will get a lot of perks with that also.